Hello everyone, my name is Aminah, and if you don't know who I am, don't worry, that is the point of this video, for me to introduce myself. And while I will be doing that, I'll be doing my makeup for me to go nowhere. Probably just going to go take some pictures because a hot girl is never hot for no reason. Even though people might not see me, they're going to see the fit. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. First things first, I'm not a professional or a licensed makeup artist. I just do what looks good on my face, and I'm just going to start off with a bit of sunscreen to moisturize my face. I don't know if it's listening, but oh my god, my skin gets so oily after sunscreen. But that's okay. I mean, protection over breakouts any day. I know it seems like I'm being a little bit awkward because I don't know how these videos are going to go, but I feel like over time it's gonna get easier. And yeah, so first things first, as I do my makeup, I'm going to try and answer some basic questions, introduce myself. Who am I? Who is she? What do I do? So I'm gonna go in with a bit of foundation. So yeah, okay. So my name, wait, let me get a mirror. Don't mind me looking down. I'm just working from my mirror just to make sure I don't look crazy at the end of this video. So who am I? Well, I did tell you my name, and if you don't remember it, my name is Aminah, and I am 20 years of age. I have lived 2 decades in this world. Not to brag, but it is an achievement. So, and I am a student, currently taking a gap year, but I'm going to start university next year. Much excited about that. And why, I'm sure you're wondering, okay, cool, but then what are you doing on this app? Well, just like any other app on the platform in this world, I love YouTube. I love YouTube videos. I love YouTubers. People may think it is cringe that, oh, you want to be a YouTuber? Gross, like you're so cringe, you're gonna be on some, oh, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, actually, I actually find that to be cool, and it's something I've always thought about for the longest of time, and here I am doing it. So yeah, and yeah, I think that's pretty much about me. I enjoy photography, lifestyle, makeup. Well, I just sparked an interest into makeup lately, and so far I am enjoying it. It's quite cool. It's very cool. I feel like it took me some time to like learn what sits well on my face, what techniques to use, even though I don't necessarily use the best products. I use affordable, so, but yeah, I just sparked an interest in beauty actually, because growing up I was usually tomboyish. I never did like skincare, makeup, dressing up, doing my hair. It was never my thing, but as I join adulthood, it's actually quite interesting, you know, with the blending and contouring, eyeliner. Oh, I love a good eyeliner, especially a very sharp one. I think it's very attractive, especially with my type of eyes. I have very foxy, uplifted eyes, so it's even more attractive. And I'm really fighting to stop looking at the viewfinder and focus on the lens, but bear with me, this is my first time after all. So yeah, I've never been actually into very feminine things. This is actually my first time trying out feminine products, and let's just say you girls are winging it. I always try to avoid my forehead because the forehead can make or break you. I feel like I'm just gonna leave those soft parts because of I'll install a picture here trying to show you what I'm trying to explain. The first time I did my makeup, I looked good. I looked very gorgeous, but the problem is my forehead and edges were contradicting each other. So I did my makeup and I was amazed. I was like, I have seen beauty before, but this is truly a discovery. I looked good, you know, I did my eyebrows and my forehead, and I went to go take pictures because I looked very beautiful. I stood in the sun and I'm posing, and my friend doesn't even let me know this. She doesn't even tell me this. My other friend tells me this. She's like,
Aminah, your forehead and edges, there's a demarcation line.
I was so embarrassed. I just started gathering. There was no water around me, so I had to get saliva and literally fix that, because it literally looked so bad. This is the main reason why I didn't even post these pictures, because they were so bad. They did not look good at all. And I'm a good looking girl, but they did not look good. So yeah, and yeah, so since it's the first time for both of us, how about I tell you guys a little story time? So obviously with makeup you can either hit it and it looks untannedly good on you, or you miss. Like, not just miss, but like heavy miss. Like miss to the point where fam, you're actually looking ridiculous. Like so I'm doing like watching like a YouTube tutorial, and I'm like doing my makeup, I'm following what she says. Bro, first off, my brows joke of the century, joke of the year. And okay, at least I was able to conceal, but it was not good. So my friend came through and helped me, and for some reason I felt anxious because I'd never worn makeup, and I was like at my aunt's house, never worn makeup a day in my life, and I was like really stressed. I was like, oh my word, it's not gonna look good, it's probably gonna look bad. And here I was looking like the baddest. I'll insert pictures obviously because it was remembered, it was secured, so made sure. Yeah, so that's a boring story time actually, but yeah, that's one of the times that was actually the first time I did my makeup, and it came out really good, especially my brows on point. I didn't do them because the first half of the brows I did should not be seen with the human eye. Like, maybe if you squint your eyes like really good and like looked at me, you'd say, oh yeah, Aminah looks nice. But if you were like you opened your eyes fully and stared at my brows, they would not make sense. And I'm going to probably vlog my first day at school. Why did I look so low? Okay, probably gonna vlog my first day at school. I'm excited. I took a gap, and I'm sure you're wondering, why did you take a gap year? I took a gap year because if you go to school in where I'm from, oh, I didn't even say where I was from. Damn, so this video's been 50 all over the place. But I am from Zambia, but I live in South Africa. And if you know how the South African system is, it is not easy, especially in your final year, your matric year. It's not for the faint-hearted. And I decided to take a break from that because of other reasons, and also for my own mental health, because finally you had me on chokehold. I don't know about other people that say, oh, my family was amazing, they're my best life, and I finished pre-pandemic, so I was lucky. And it felt distant for me because immediately after I was done, we got hit with the pandemic, and I was like, oh, thank God I missed that bullet, because I would have struggled mentally if I was sitting alone with my academics, away from my family, while we are fighting a pandemic. That would have torn me apart, and it would have made it even worse because we had no religious system. We couldn't go to church, we couldn't see our family, we couldn't interact like we used to. And when the pandemic did reduce, it was still foreign. You'd go outside, see people at mosques, you can't talk to people, you can't hug people anymore. It was so awkward, and I'm just so glad that I avoided all of that, because I could have never handled online school. First off, if you are not in front of me giving me pressure, I am not going to do it. As sad as that sounds, I mean, look at how long it took me to start a YouTube channel. And also, I'm so thankful that I was mostly with family, we were together. Even though it was very sad times, I'm just very glad that I was with people to encourage me. We would have church on Zoom. It was good. It was better than nothing, but it would have been better if I was there in person. So yeah, that's the main reason I took a gap year. And yeah, I think that's about it. I like to look pretty, giving very much material gal. I like to take pictures. I have a very big interest in photography and photojournalism, but that's not necessarily what I'll be studying at school. I will be studying computer and information science, majoring in IT. So yeah, that is what I will be doing. And yeah, I'm sure. Okay, so follow-up question is, why IT? Well, I have a thing for computers, technology in general. I feel like the world we live in is very computerized. You're gonna purchase something, do it online. You want to make money, do it online. So we're living in a very digital era, and I want to contribute to that, you know, things like the metaverse. I have interest in those, and if you guys want conspiracies on those, just ask. I have interest in IT, computers, technology, information, data, all those, the metaverse. I want to be a part of that, and the only way I can do it is, main reason why I'll be taking a course in IT specifically. Yo, I look slouched. Okay, so yeah, I am almost done with my makeup. It's a very quick get ready with me, basically me just introducing myself, and I feel like I'll do more of that in the end. So that's my face looking gorgeous. I mean, it's giving chocolate bake, giving delicious. The thing, lip liner. I feel like with me, I can either hit or miss this, because with the liner, I feel like my lips already have like a brown undertone, like a brown lining. So whenever I just go in with the lip liner, ooh, it looks cute. I look hard. Oh, I love my lips. My lips are so gorgeous. So I'm thinking maybe I should leave it nude. This looks good. Yeah, it looks good. That looks good. So just gonna leave it nude. I was thinking of adding a bit of pink, but nope. I know probably gonna mess that up, so